Welcome, today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget, and after that just hold for a while and click then to widgets icon. Here we can see now all the available applications with widgets which we can add to our device home screen. For example, here we can see that we have two different just types of the clock, or for example the Google Chrome app. So just hold for a while the widget and drag it, for example here. Also we can create a new screen with the widget if you want. Also we can just make it smaller or bigger. As you can see, that's so simple to do. We can move this widget here on the screen or between the screens if you want. And for example, to just remove it, hold it and drag it here to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.